Welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel, and I'm now answering question number 5 from the October-November 2023 Cambridge Paper 2 Variant 3 of the IGCSE paper. And this question here, this is 0580 syllabus. This question here is about a triangle ABC. M is the midpoint of AC. The triangle ABC is rotated 180 degrees about the center M. The image and the original triangle together form a quadrilateral ABCD. Write down the mathematical name of the quadrilateral. Now, most of you should be able to imagine what happens when this rotates and that, what the shape would happen. That basically you'd end up with a triangle on this side and it will basically together form a parallelogram. But if you're not sure, you can do the following. You could take a piece of tracing paper, okay, and you could put this over, you could trace the shape over, on the tracing paper over the triangle, and then you could take your tracing paper and rotate it 180 degrees around. If you did it properly with the point on M, it would be actually like this at the end, okay, and then you can see that it's basically a parallelogram. So that we had A, B. So this was A, this is B, this was C, and now this is going to be D. Okay, so that's now the parallelogram ABCD, and we can see that this side is parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to that side, and this angle is 44. This angle is also 44. As we can see, the opposite angles are equal. All right, so we can see it's a parallelogram. So we can say it's a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Have I spelled it wrong? Whoops. I don't think I have. Okay, so you have a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. All right, so that's part A done. Now for part B, it says find angle BAD. Okay, this is the angle over here, BAD. Okay, so basically what we can see here is this angle is 44. This angle is also 44 because they are alternate angles. So we can say angle BAD, I'll put the working up here. Angle BAD is equal to angle DAC, which is this angle here, 44, okay, plus angle BAC. So DAC we can see is 44. Okay, and that's because these are alternate angles. They didn't tell us to put any reasons here. That's fine. But if they had told us to put reasons, we could say that BCA is equal to DAC because they're alternate angles. They make a Z shape. You could say alternate angles. And this angle over here is going to be the same as 180 minus 112 plus 44. In fact, you know what? There's a much easier way. Forget that what I just said. Okay, this angle here and this angle here are interior angles because these are parallel lines. This line is parallel to that line. Okay, let me put them with the right arrow. This is with this, they are parallel. Okay, so these two angles, they add up to 180. So we can say BAD, much easier, is equal to 180 minus, because they're called interior angles, 180 minus 112. That's 112, so this is going to be 180 minus 112. That's going to give you how much? That's going to give you 68 degrees. Okay, that's 68 degrees. If you want to confirm it, you can 180 minus 112, 68 degrees. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so it's quite a simple question here. All right, so tracing paper would help if you can't imagine what's happening, and finding this angle actually quite easy because it's a parallelogram. The opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so you end up with interior angles. These two add up to the 180 degrees. Okay, no reason is asked for. If they did, you could say 180 minus 12, 112 interior angles. Okay, so that completes question number 5 from this paper, which is October-November 2023. Other questions from this paper can be found in the playlist that will appear over here. Other questions from the topic of, I guess this is rotation or transformations in a way, and also angles, basic angle facts. Okay, so I'll put it under both of those. You can find them, the playlist will be for those over there, and you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this link. Thank you for watching and see you soon.